up, guys? So, we're gonna watch this video called, hold up. Beep Beep, I'm Sheep. So, I don't know. Hold up. I haven't did my intro yet. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Blazer Man. So, we're gonna watch Beep Beep, I'm Sheep.
It's impossible to
I don't know.
listen to
I don't
Her voice
really
sounds
know
like
what's
an
gonna
engine
go
that won't turn over.
on.
Plus, she laughs at her own jokes.
I know it's gonna be really weird. So I'm gonna turn my volume all the way up. There we go. So I'll rewind it in 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing? We need that.
Is that flexible? Hey, calm down.
Heather has found a clan, the Marthas. Through Connecticut, very prep. I suspect money is changed hands. I like your costume.
Please don't go crazy again. Is he saying meow meow? I'm a cow.
Hello, ladies.
Hey, what's up? Did you bring me a taco?
They're saying meow meow. I'm a cow.
No, take it.
What is that?
It's not really that loud because my tablet's like lagging and stuff and it's broken.
Did you bring my bread?
Oh, you know I forgot it.
Maybe you did that.
I think it looks really sexy down.
Thank you.
What time your parents get home tonight?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know what.
What's with her?
Well, do you
I
know?
don't know.
She's a freak who needs chapstick and a life. I don't want her eating with us anymore.
Oh my
No,
god!
sure.
What? We're not social workers. The girl has problems.
Okay, guys, that's the end of our video today. I will make another one today, maybe. And I don't know, but I'll see you again, guys.
Hey, you're the tree.
Peace. Bye,
You need lunch
Blazer.